In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch NFL on Firestick for free. Let's get started. Ensure your Firestick is connected to the internet and updated to the latest software. From the Firestick home screen, open the Amazon App Store and search for official streaming apps that offer NFL coverage. Depending on your location, options may include the NFL app, YouTube or network and broadcaster apps that provide free games, highlights, or selected live coverage. You can also check whether your local broadcaster offers free NFL games through its official app or website. Some services provide selected games at no cost, while others may require a subscription or a TV provider login. Another option is to use an over-the-air antenna if your Fire TV setup supports live TV through compatible hardware. Local broadcast networks can carry certain NFL games for free, allowing you to watch them without a monthly streaming subscription. Before installing any third-party streaming application, be careful with unofficial apps and websites that promise every NFL game for free. They may provide unauthorized streams, content, intrusive advertising, or create security and privacy risks. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.